Spin a tale, the art of storytelling. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, spin a tale. If you love stories, this one is for you. We will explore what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you understand it better. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the world of tales and storytelling. Remember, we're here to make English fun and easy to learn, so don't hesitate to pause and replay the video if you need to. Spin a tale is an idiomatic phrase in English. To spin something here doesn't involve any physical turning or twisting. In this context, spin means to create a story, and a tale is another word for a story or narrative. When someone spins a tale, they're not just telling a story. They're crafting it in an engaging, often elaborate or creative way. It implies a sense of enchantment or entertainment, similar to what a weaver does when spinning threads into cloth. The word spin has Old English roots, meaning to draw out and twist fibers into thread. Over time, spin took on metaphorical meanings. It came to be associated with the act of weaving tales or stories in a way that can captivate an audience. The term reflects the intricate nature of storytelling, where a storyteller weaves facts and fiction as a spinner would weave fabrics. Using spin a tale in conversation is quite simple. It's often used when describing someone telling a story, especially in a way that suggests they might be adding some imaginative details to make it more interesting. Here are a few examples. My grandfather can spin a tale that will keep you entertained for hours. At the campfire, she started to spin a tale about the mysterious forest. The author spun a tale of adventure that captured the imaginations of young readers everywhere. You can use spin a tale in both casual and formal settings. It's perfect for situations when you're describing storytelling, perhaps when talking about a book, movie, or a friend recounting an event. Creative explanations, when someone gives a very descriptive or elaborated version of events, even in business or academic contexts. Lying or exaggerating. Sometimes, spin a tale can have a negative connotation, suggesting that someone is making up a story. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, spin a tale. We hope you enjoyed learning about this expressive way to talk about storytelling. Whether you're spinning tales of your own or enjoying the stories spun by others, we hope this phrase adds a little more color to your English conversations. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy learning.